We delve into the enigmatic realms of spirituality and religion, unraveling their true essence and highlighting their fundamental distinctions. Join us on this enlightening journey as we explore the depths of understanding, deciphering the intricate relationship between spirituality and religion. Spirituality represents a deeply personal and subjective connection to something greater than ourselves. It goes beyond religious doctrine and rituals, focusing on an individual's inner contemplation, self-discovery, and quest for meaning. It encompasses a wide spectrum of beliefs and practices, including meditation, mindfulness, yoga, energy healing, and connecting with nature. Spirituality provides a unique pathway to spiritual growth, self-awareness, and alignment with the universe. On the other hand, religion encapsulates organized systems of beliefs, rituals, and moral codes shared by communities of individuals. It often arises from spiritual experiences but entails a more structured framework, encompassing religious texts, places of worship, clergy, and prescribed practices. Religion provides a sense of community, cultural heritage, and shared identity. While spiritual experiences are personal, religious rituals define and solidify communal ties. Understanding the difference between spirituality and religion is crucial for those seeking their own path. One can be spiritual without adhering to a specific religion, finding solace in diverse spiritual practices. Alternatively, a person may find spiritual fulfillment by embracing the teachings and rituals of a particular religion. The choice is deeply personal and should be driven by individual beliefs, values, and experiences. Join us as we embark on this enlightening exploration, shedding light on the intricate nuances and contrasting elements that distinguish spirituality from religion. Discover the benefits and challenges of both paths and gain insight into how they coexist in our contemporary world. Don't miss out on this insightful video as we dive into the depths of spirituality versus religion. Expand your perspectives, challenge preconceived notions, and embark on a journey of self-discovery. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more captivating content and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest uploads.